The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now I posted a previous video that is out on social media where it is said that a white woman spit on a black woman. You understand me? Now, me see a video circulate on social media that shows the same two persons somewhat enjoying themselves together. You see what I'm saying to you? So when we look at that video now, viewers and subscribers, and look at the video that I posted, I said to myself, wow, it's good to just look and observe some of the times, you see me? Now I have another video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and in this video you're going to hear someone talking on a device that is said to be a phone, right? Yeah, on social media it is said that this video is about a phone conversation between two persons. Now, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that the person who was talking on the phone to the person shown in the video is said to be the black woman who can be seen in the video where it is said that white woman spit on a black woman. You understand? Yeah, the person you're going to hear talking on this phone, yeah, is said to be the black woman who was seen in the video where it is said that white woman spit on black woman. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want to listen to some of the things that she had to say because she's going to talk about the video or videos that have been circulating on social media where it is said that a white woman spit on black woman and other things, you understand? And she's going to explain certain things, viewers and subscribers. Now, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not be able to understand the accent and some of the languages used in this video. Allegedly, it is said that the person is from Africa, you see me? But however, if you listen carefully, you might be able to understand some of the things that have been said in this video, you see me? All right, so here I'm going to present the video to you, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
And I've been enduring this for a while, yeah, as my thing was because it comes with a job. You should understand. You should understand. Say these things comes with a job. I can't do that. Because you're normal, but I just did a video to have my own evidence down. Unfortunately, no, and then I lost my phone over there. Only for me to realize, up to now, I mean, some kind of new phone yet. Only for me to realize, say, me video, yeah, me obvious friend will say, and I'm WhatsApp with so, and I'm WhatsApp with one, they say, yeah. Almost means I was in or Connecticut, West and yeah, no qual. Plus, some of my nude pictures are so. You know, and this thing is so dramatized. I don't know why this particular one, no matter capitalizing on nude ones, media. I think I've been able to pull most of them down. I don't know me yet. Maybe because I'm not celebrating maybe I'm near viral sadia. I don't know, but I don't know why people are on this. And I can understand why people are posting it because a lot of people are going through stuff like this. But Miss Samo, I didn't do this to gain public empathy. I did not do that for the public as a matter of fact. I did that for my own evidence. And when my phone said that should be asked them. That should be asked them. Only evidence. Only case. Just in case, indeed. For your information, a family are aware, because one of the videos, no, nano, or when you nano, from say, Mimi abusing me, Bunonia, that and the banner baha, the video run back with Shana Manu. To one of the videos with me already. See, I didn't do it out of like without their knowledge. Let me put it that way. Into myself. So air now we all viewers and our followers so use your platform to tell people to pull the video down.
Well, you are live right now, and we just want you have to put it out there. Me pamoncho yenyana yen video aba out obi ehun say sister no or yes salad. Me to me share video no, to be honest with you. I haven't been able to watch it. Yes, sister, yes, salada, obroni, mami abrebi, o tutu ntefie na ade egu so no. Yes, sister, ye no phone so. And all catch and say, opa and chow, ni phone ni yiraye. While recording video no, say or the baby guma, but imbo mamma no ye ya bedu pempen subia. Na anya, nemba no bejinedi. Into your recording video no, said ye be ya. Nemba no ba chinanko or the bedi dance say shed ya mamma de yame and then the phone no ayera the phone yira and the pictures be walk grandpa on shatare and they be also at mammy and uncle be a shada no more the video na out into the yanko point paye na la show mama yen delete video no and social media woman say video na cover by all pie and chow say ye video ne enfiwo because oni medwuma no onim say e come with edwuma but said ye be ya o chinanko e bia ne mama me ne free police fo na o chinanko ko pra no ho a o de we be gina so aka say oh o ma me kwa say na o ye me eni nti mama ye video ne enfi social media enti sister like adwenya attach a o de ye ne say such a way say be or chinanko na bibi ni a ubetimi de no de gina so assess
that is the motive I take no say me evidence because one thing sabro free uti omo ho a obo omo no na omo ye yo ma asem kitwe be mrasesia ombe yi wama and the main reason why I'm poor sister the yes I video we no and say ma me nya ni skin no also omo and I know skin na is very soft
yes,
right
it's
a minimum the call yeah no did ni 9 ko prima den na skin no why ye kakra and the status on no realizing ko so bleeding me na me hu so bleeding and I me be paper hu ni na see hu man na me dey tape too so unfortunately na status say he infected and I me reaction no call I think 3-4 days later na area ko me reaction no call your friend is urgent care and mo share na man antibiotics be fine ye be do na ne ba ne bisa say ba ne simple say at this point there was some report man ne ba ne say yes na ne ba ne bisa say ba ne say na me so me kwa me nim na me who say all bleeding 1 and 9 1 me di tape afa ho but then no e so no right me diary ni bibia se dem so ko diary ye na bem sense you ko mu a e ma ne say infected so one mo bi o yare ye bisa no o se me na me buti ni nai. Now, am I that stupid? Says Mayor will be in Puanabuti nine, which an evidable place. Why would I boot that place? Police, but we ski are very soft. We ski color so crown. We become crazy. I know when you bruises for me. So why would I boot that place? I mean, say police. And I mean, at them that day, put one nation. I mean, we boot some whiskey in the chasa. Do you understand? But Obian got the logic back to home. And so, Nima, I'm catch and I saw GD. You said they you mean. But long story short, no. One of them congregation and my many friend asked why you panic and me now me holding the hostage on the fear me person be idea. She was found one time in the middle of the road somewhere. Police na didn't be if you know down much 3 and I you know so no more than the baby. So when you na kaboom no nibano, I think at a point on the bano so or the camera bar bet to her. And also you know because they are who naked in John camera. So go on and say, why would you say that? Because I don't want to win to me, Diana. Would you say, oh, my and Pammy, and be Siana? Since then, they're calling me start to say, usually not me, bisa. Since then, I start to say, me take records, me find Shaw say, Mama, and you me go through you. But me say comes with the job means, and I'm in person the complaint, you be blinding. I'm Mamu. Only when it is needed, I will show it to them. It's just unfortunate self-phone, no. Ajira. Make it a LPN. Ejuma we are na me dear. Day ya mo say video ye viral. That was the day I got show me national exam. My party and my befia. Me be salad ma ye me the videos shower. You see, we are always happy. The time they trust video. Yes, and then me there too. Yes. Me birthday 30th November. Me dinner man will fear her. I'm inviting a few friends Mumbai, and you know everybody was happy. I put stuff about if you want me bought any Ghana music, not me now and near Sanam, there are 2 set or so. Why would I do this? Why would I do this? For what? I'm gonna say that should be never bass and mamma me. Do you understand?
Yeah.
My kids saw this and they were traumatized. Yeah. TikTok. Me family will be a friend. This is so dramatizing. And I don't see why people, what is the fun in this? I can understand that people want to prove a point. So this is what people are going to. But don't they have to find out the real reason behind it before posting and giving the captions that are not necessary? I don't know what someone yes, sir.
So I have some of the bloggers. No, I have one number. Me who say back but
since I'm no say I don't say equation only one for just some
but Ebusiano you okay Ebusiano how are you doing?
Ebusiano young contacting me, so I'm just assuming Mr. Omu. However, no, I don't know. I don't know. At this point, I can't really think right now.
This is very because of your license, you know. As I see and put it there, home care there, okay. But right now, Ababa LP and license, everything it is serious, and I know said this is very serious. So we will all it's trending it's trending. But what we will do is that we will continue to beg people, and we will see what. But I think say it be a best thing. I can make my advice. I made him the amount. Say and come my bushia phone in your way. Said this is what it has happened. What he has said, your phone get lost, and you record the video for the way I think so be putting out. Said the way say bushia phone woman himself wash my for long time. Into no they won't get upset because 5 years, yes. 5 years, yes.
4th January, yeah, but came on the year 5 years and I'm sure.
Yeah, and to tell them.
Yeah, I person meet no mamma. Then your mama actually so me uncle. You say don't worry, meet no man or transition we are not
and I think sir. Yeah, I think sir best thing I the obey say catch mamma say catch number say u phone ayira. A debut man woman say phone
naira.
Okay, intino let them know before say womu be na ebeba be ye ade bia feed womu be kwakwa report ni ade no let them know say the way say ochina nko ano no say womu hu a ebi abrofo bi wa womu ni Facebook abrofo bebrede ni WhatsApp yen Ghana phone ye WhatsApp obroni bi ubi san WhatsApp onim na de banchi so bia ne papa what different state intino upa me de me nkwala adwen say tell them say me phone na woman himself phone na now you know mommy was really stressing me out speeding on me and I recorded and it's so sad that my phone get lost and somebody has put it on social media, so I'm begging you, I have reported to my friends to let them take it off. But in case you say if you guys see anything like that, would him say bro for the woman taking yama so serious say ebia but my mini dressing was okay. I don't think say but the best thing is say you calm down because right now one year over bottom you have to calm down. There's nothing that you can do right now. What we can do right now is just calling some of our bloggers to take it down, but you have to calm down. So one calm down over bottom over down manager.
Alright, so dear avid viewers and subscribers, I don't know me Dancehall Skilla. Me only there so to keep you up to date and posting and let you know what's going on. Alright, and just to make it very clear, that video that I just presented to you is just piece of an entire video. You understand? Yeah, that's not the entire video that's out on social media. That's just piece of the entire video. Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch. Dancehall Skilla.